Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the outcome based education system. So we will learn about what is OBE, outcome based engineering education. So it's not what we teach, it's what you learn. In a nutshell, learner centric approach to tertiary education. Let's come to the definition. What is OBE? The outcome based education focuses on the skills and results achieved by the student as the most important aspect of education. It is a student centric teaching and learning methodology in which the course delivery, assessment are planned to achieve stated objectives and outcomes. It focuses on measuring student performance, that is, outcomes at different levels. Now, from teachers learning, teacher centric approach to student centric teaching. Everything is prepared, lesson plan is prepared, teaching plan is prepared, CLOs are prepared, they are linked to the PLOs as well in the start of the semester, and students know very well about the assessment techniques and methodologies. So he is aware in the start of the semester. So how can he work out and how can he show his performance throughout the semester? So this is called outcome based education system. Now we are moving towards the differences between traditional education system and OBE. Traditional education system, traditionally based on our inputs, we were not considered about outputs. So content to teach and teaching methodologies. The students were not aware about teaching methodologies, teaching methods and assessment methods in this system. Based on outcomes in outcome based education that students should attain at the end of each course. In traditional education system, teaching involves sharing of knowledge on topics. In outcome based education system, teaching involves incorporating activities that requires students to demonstrate their learnings. In traditional education system, assessment based on marks or grades attained by the students, but in outcome-based education system, assessment based on attainment of outcomes for each activity. In traditional education system, only learning is assessed at the end of each course. In comparative to in OBE, every activity of the student is assessed, example field visits, assignments, case studies, quizzes, etc. Traditional education system does not focus on continuous improvement, while outcome-based education system involves continuous improvement through feedbacks from alumni, students, industry experts, etc. So thank you. That's all for today. Hope you will understand the outcome-based education system. That's all for today.